Understanding the phrase, pitch a fit, an English language guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting and colorful phrase, pitch a fit. This expression is commonly used in English, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of the language. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples. Pitch a fit is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to react in a very angry or emotional manner, often involving yelling, crying, or dramatic behavior. It's typically used to describe someone who is losing their temper in a noticeable and sometimes exaggerated way. The origins of pitch a fit are a bit murky, but it's believed to have originated in the United States in the 19th century. The word pitch here is used in the sense of launching into or starting something, in this case, a fit of anger or frustration. Let's look at some examples of how to use pitch a fit in sentences. When he found out his vacation was canceled, he pitched a fit in the middle of the office. My little sister pitched a fit when she had to do her chores. I hope my boss doesn't pitch a fit when I tell him I need a day off. There are some variations of the phrase that you might hear, such as throw a fit or have a fit. These are used in similar contexts but can have slightly different connotations. That's all on the phrase, pitch a fit. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use this expression confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words, but the colorful expressions that give it flavor. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.